Hey guys, Glenn Murray, how are you? Hope you're doing well. This video is about how to go viral on TikTok and actually make money. So a lot of people can post a bunch of videos about cats and stuff like that, but really you're not going to go, you're not going to make a ton of money unless I guess you're selling some kind of cat thing. All right, first off, if you're new to my channel, I make videos about how to make money online. I review different softwares. I'm going to really be focusing on really building out high ticket and not this like low ticket not low ticket products, but we'll really show you how to get some high ticket sales, like $1,000, $2,000 sales. Okay, so first thing, make sure you hit subscribe. Now, where's my camera? I lost my camera here. Am I online? There I am. Okay, so what are you looking at right now? You're looking at my TikTok account. All right, so my TikTok, let me bring this up here so I can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so my TikTok account um, is literally, guys, 2 days ago this was just 11 followers. These are my videos rated by the most views. Now I got a video that I put up yesterday that has 10,000 views. One the previous day that had 8,300 views and 3,500 views. And I just put one up today that's just starting to go. Let me refresh this so you can see the order of the videos. So this one just went up. So this just went up maybe an hour ago, and it's already at 181 views. This was yesterday. So this was that 10K one, not from yesterday. All right, so what am I doing? Basically, I'm doing really simple 6-7 second videos that have a call to action in them to follow and just a simple statement and a kind of a funny face. Now, if you're like, I don't want to go on camera, well, get over it. If you want to make money online, you just got to get over that. We all get over it. You got to get over it. You just got to get over it. You can just make videos without your face on it, like this one's got 210 views, but really people want to know who you are, get to know who you are, and basically sell you, or so they will buy from you. So I'm not going to get heavily into mindset. I'm just going to really basically, this is the principle. We've got a $7 course that really walks you through it. I'm just going to give you the big overview in this video. If you want $7 course, click below. You can get the $7 course, which it walks you through step by step. But what I want to really share with you is, what do we want to sell? We want to sell people into a high ticket product, which is $1,000 commission for you. So that's going to be like they're going to be paying like $2,000 or something, or $4,000, so you can make a $2,000 commission. You might be going, no, how can I ever sell that? Well, you don't do the selling. All you need to do is get someone into the sales funnel. And this is where people get so stuck. They're like, oh, I got to sell it. And they get desperate and everything. It's like, it's basically you're handing it on. You're like a greeter, and you're just handing it off to the salesperson, right? You're just going, here you go. And that handoff is actually getting them into a funnel. Now, I've created this really simple sheet here, and you can see it, guys. It is so simple. How to be set for life. There's basically 3 steps in it, or step 1, step 2, and then finally I'm going to bold this. I made it into a PDF, but I'll probably tweak this as we go. But guys, I'll give, if you want this document, basically all you're doing is taking them through some steps where you can get them into a landing page builder, which you get them into free, and then you show them how to share the same document so that theirs is paid for life. You show them how to get a free account on an autoresponder, and then you show them this document, how they can actually get paid by sharing this, and then that autoresponder is free. This is what I did, guys. This is exactly what I did. I got a landing page builder account, and then I went and got people to sign up for it, and all it was giving them something like this, and then basically it's paid for. So these costs are paid for. So my business basically pays for itself on the first day of the month, like because I work it from home. I already have a laptop. I have a phone. These are things that I've always had. Like, so really, I used to buy a lot of traffic, and now I'm just really working on organic traffic, because I find that you can buy a lot of traffic, but it's churn, right? You're just constantly churning. Yes, you can go to ads and all that stuff, but that's like way down the road. When you're making $10,000 a month, you can go hire an ad manager. It's not something that you need to be learning to do yourself. You just go hire someone to do that, and because they're the pro, they will make you way more money than you going through the learning curve. And then you need to sell them something like, and this $7 course is, and again, I'm not selling, guys, I'm just showing you this course. You go take a look at it, and it shows you exactly how to get these results. Like this is real time, guys. This is real time. I had 11 followers like 3 days ago, like literally 3 days ago. I have 11 followers, and let me just refresh this. This is went from 181. Now it's at, like, I don't know if you can see that. It says 203. So just in the time we're talking, I've gotten another 20 people viewing my image here. Now I'm just building this, guys. I'm just building this out. I've built Instagram out. Again, the same principle, right? You just got to be consistent. You got to make videos. So I'm going to give you a couple tips. The sweet spot the goal in TikTok is to get to, you want to get this number to 1,000 followers. Okay. Once you get 1,000 followers, you get to put a link here. And that will be your landing page. This is what I'm going back to. Why do you need this? Because you need a landing page builder. Why do you need it? So you can get an email. So you need an autoresponder. Like, period. You just don't. It's non-negotiable. Because someone needs to see something. The rule is 7 times before they make a purchase, right? You're probably going to watch this video 7 times. You're going to do some research. You're going to go back, or maybe you've watched me a bunch of times and you're like, yeah, I trust Glenn. I'm just going to go follow what he does. I want to be on his team. I want to contact him. I want to, like, show me what you're doing, because guys, this is really easy. You may think it's hard, but this is it. So all this stuff, this is all set up. This stuff literally takes you a couple hours to set up. Set it all up. A couple of hours. If you're not techie, message me. I'll walk you through it. And then this stuff, and this is all in the training, guys. You basically you think about what you're going to do the next day, right? You think about, okay, I'm going to make 5 videos. And if you go, what videos do I make? Well, you go on TikTok and find what's happening, right? You basically go search a hashtag like affiliate marketing. This is the great thing about this program. Look at these people. This has got 153.6 views. What is she doing?
Here's how to make $4,000 a month with affiliate marketing. So first, create an account with impact.com, and here you can apply to promote different brands and products. Then you can get an affiliate link that you can start promoting. And if someone signs up through your link, you're gonna get a commission. Next, create a business Pinterest account. And now all you have to do is repost viral TikToks in your niche, and these don't have to be your own.
It, guys.
And anytime
that's really it. So this is how you do market research. So what are you doing? Okay, let's talk about. Let me get back on here. All right. So let's talk about your daily plan. Right. In the morning, you're gonna make some content. You're gonna make some videos. You do whatever you need to do. You've got your phone. You can make it on your phone. You're just going to model what other people are doing that are getting viral videos. Seriously, there's no secret to it. That's it. Now, what do we teach you in the training? We teach you how to expand it. Tell you how to put all the really the make money part of it. Where how do you position the hashtags, and how do you get people to follow you, and how do you start getting people to go sign up and start getting to your link. So that's the first part. And then you post it. So Instagram, you can, if you're doing Instagram, if you're just going to focus on TikTok, I'd say 5 videos a day. You may go, 5 videos a day? How am I ever going to do that? You know what? The first one takes like an hour. The second one takes like 50 minutes. The third one takes 40 minutes. But in 2 weeks, you'll be able to crank out 5 videos in literally maybe 45 minutes. Like, you'll be able to do it because you'll have practiced it. You'll know, because all right now you're building your you're following up to 1,000, and that's what we're doing. And I'll do this with you. Like, guys, I'll jump back on here in a week and I'll show you, or I'll jump back on and make a video on like when I hit 1,000 followers, and then I'll make another video on how we put the link in there. Now, the great thing about having an Instagram account is that you can shoot them over there and you could give them that document. And if you guys, if you want that document, message me. I'll put a link to the document. You can go get the document for yourself. Just go use it. Even if you don't want to use this method, maybe you already have a list. Go share that document. It's a really powerful document to get people into recurring income, because that's what you want. You want your, basically they say you want your nut covered each month, right? So whatever it is that you need to do, it's about 125, 130 bucks. Don't, and on the landing page below, just get the basic. It's like $100 a month after the free trial. But during the free trial, you're going to get signups. So basically, it's going to, I've got a call coming in. You'll be getting paid, and you just use that money to pay your subscription, right? Same thing with your autoresponder. Very, very, very easy to do. And don't think, oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. You can do it. You just have to get the sheet in front of as many people as you can. So give it away. Don't spam people. Just give it away. Say, this is what my mentor told me to do. Pretty easy. And then get into the course and follow us in the course. Get into the Facebook group. You'll have direct contact with me, and we'll do this together. Okay. So if you're just brand new to my channel, again, hit subscribe. Follow these steps. It's not hard to do. You just got to do it. You got to do it. Like, so many people have all these great intentions and then they don't follow through. You just got to do it. You got to like go, I'm going to make the change. You know, there's a really good post. It's called, in every family, there's one person that breaks the chain of living paycheck to paycheck. And that person in your family is watching this video right now. Pretty powerful stuff. All right, guys, click the link below, go get that sheet, follow it, walk through, follow the sheet, get it, and then I will see you on the other side. Cheers.